Hey everyone, and welcome back to Credence Hub. I'm so glad you were here today because we are diving into a topic that could genuinely change your life. We're talking about the best future jobs in the USA that do and to require a 4-year college degree. If you're looking to build a successful, high-earning career with flexibility, maybe even work remotely from your couch, then you need to stick around for this one. We've done the research and crunched the numbers to bring you the top 5 future-proof jobs for 2025 to 2030 that can make you incredibly successful. No fancy degree needed. These are careers you can start building right now. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Coming in at number 1 is the AI content creator. Look, artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a revolution that's changing absolutely everything, especially how content is made. People who have mastered AI tools like ChatGPT for writing Mid-Journey for creating stunning visuals, or even Pika Labs for generating video, are already earning thousands of dollars every single month. Think about it. Every business needs content. Blogs, social media posts, YouTube videos, marketing emails. The demand is endless. As an AI content creator, you become the person who can produce high-quality content faster and more efficiently than ever before. You're not just a writer or an artist, you're an innovator. The average income here is already impressive, ranging from $50,000 to over $120,000 per year. The key skills? Need creativity to come up with great ideas, a willingness to learn the tools, and the consistency to keep producing amazing work. This is a field where your imagination is your only limit. Next up. At number 2, we have the remote digital assistant. The remote work culture in the USA isn't just a trend. It's the new standard for countless businesses. Small business owners, busy executives, and online creators are all desperate for reliable help. They're looking for people to manage their emails, schedule appointments, handle customer support, and organize their digital lives. This is where you come in as a remote digital assistant. The beauty of this role is the incredible flexibility. You can work from home, set your own hours, and even work with clients from different states or time zones. It's the ultimate lifestyle-friendly career. You don't need a specialized degree, just strong organizational skills, great communication, and a basic comfort level with technology. Digital assistants typically earn between $25 and $40 per hour, and as you build your reputation and skills, you can command even higher rates. It's a fantastic way to step into the remote workforce and become indispensable to your clients. All right, our third future job is one of my personal favorites, the AI automation specialist. This one sounds techy, but hear me out. Businesses, big and small, are constantly looking for ways to be more efficient and save money. That's where automation comes in. An AI automation specialist helps companies set up smart, automated workflows. Imagine automatically sending follow-up emails, tracking customer journeys, or even managing inventory without anyone lifting a finger. You don't need to be a coding genius for this. It's with powerful, user-friendly tools like Zapier, Make, or even the ChatGPT API, you can build these complex systems with logic and problem-solving skills. If you're the kind of person who loves finding clever solutions and making things run smoothly, this is the job for you. The pay is phenomenal, with an average income ranging from $70,000 to a staggering $150,000 per year. The skills you need are a knack for systems thinking, an understanding of how businesses operate, and a willingness to master these powerful automation tools. You'll literally be the architect of efficiency for companies across America. Coming in hot at number 4 is the video editor and motion designer. Just look around, videos everywhere. From YouTube and TikTok to Instagram Reels and corporate websites, video content is absolutely exploding. This explosion has created a massive, and I mean massive, demand for skilled video editors and motion designers. And here's the game changer. You no longer need expensive software or years of training to get started. Free and affordable AI-powered tools like Pictory, Runway, and InVideo AI are making it possible for anyone to create professional-looking videos. If you have a good sense of storytelling, a creative eye for design, and sharp attention to detail, you can build a thriving career in this space. Video editors are earning upwards of $60,000 a year, and freelance rates can be even higher. You'll be the one bringing stories to life, and in today's digital world, that's a superpower. And finally, at number 5, we have the freelance web and app developer. Even with the incredible rise of AI, the ability to build and create on the web is still king. Coding remains one of the most valuable and high-income skills you can have. Freelance developers in the US are earning big by building websites for small businesses, creating e-commerce stores on platforms like Shopify, or developing custom mobile apps. The demand is constant. Every new business needs a website, and every existing business wants to improve its online presence. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are overflowing with clients looking for reliable and skilled developers. You don't need a computer science degree to start. You can learn the essentials like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript through online boot camps and courses. Or you can master no-code app builders like Glide. The income potential is huge, with averages ranging from $80,000 to well over $180,000 per year. If you enjoy building things and solving puzzles, this path offers both financial freedom and creative satisfaction. I want to throw in a bonus role that ties many of these skills together: the content strategist. If you understand how to plan, create, and promote digital content, you can become a content strategist. In this role, you're the mastermind behind a brand's online growth. You'll manage their social media, analyze market trends to see what's working, and develop a roadmap for their success. It's a highly creative, super engaging, and very well-paid job, with an average salary of around $90,000 a year. You need to understand social media platforms, be comfortable with analytics, and have a spark of creativity. So there you have it, our top 5 future jobs in the USA for 2025 to 2030 that require a college degree but offer incredible income and growth potential. Whether you see yourself as an AI creator, an automation expert, or a freelance developer, the key takeaway is this: your future is in your hands. The opportunities are out there, waiting for you to grab them. Which of these jobs sounded the most exciting to you? Let us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what path you're thinking about. And hey, if you found this video helpful, please do us a huge favor and hit that like button. Subscribe to Credence Hub and ring that notification bell. Every week, we bring you more insights into USA trends, future jobs, and powerful money-making ideas that you won't want to miss. Thanks so much for watching. This is Credence Hub, your guide to a successful future. See you in the next one.